Here's how to buy a game on Steam. So first, you need to open the Steam application on your device, or you can also go to its website, find the game that you want to buy. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose Far Cry 6. Go ahead, enter the birth date if it is asking, then tap on View Page option and go to the official page of that game. Scroll down to see the different versions or editions available. Then tap on Add to Cart option, which is highlighted in green color. Then tap on View My Cart option. Then tap on Continue to Payment, which is highlighted in blue color. And choose your payment method, such as PayPal, your Visa card, your MasterCard, American Express card, Discover, or JCB. Then tap on Continue, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details. You can log into your PayPal account or any other account, and then you can review and purchase the page. Terms and conditions, and then tap on Purchase, and you'll see Thank you for your purchase message, and afterwards, you can tap on your library in the top right corner of your screen. And on the left, you'll see the game. Click on it and install it and start playing. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.